First tonight, a year after a carbon monoxide leak caused a crash that injured an Austin police officer on duty, he's still not able to return to the force.
Today, the Austin City Council agreed to extend Sergeant Zachary LaHood's leave of absence for another year. That means he will continue to receive full pay and all of his medical benefits. KXAN's medical reporter Gigi Barnett takes an in-depth look at what he's facing while recovering from carbon monoxide poisoning.
Austin City Council members extending up to another year of leave for Sergeant Zachary LaHood. Last summer, he described the moment he realized his Ford Explorer police cruiser was leaking carbon monoxide.
I remember feeling a headache, a dull headache at first in the front of my head.
LaHood says he wants to return to the force once his doctors give him the go-ahead, and his attorneys call the city's actions today the right thing to do. Doctors say the more exposure to the deadly gas, the longer it takes to get back to normal.
You basically, you choke to death.
Dr. Ross Tobelman runs the ER at Baylor Scott and White in Round Rock. He says victims start feeling a dull headache, confusion, and then dizziness, and that leads to them blacking out.
I suffocated from the inside out.
That's the 1-2 punch the gas does on the body. Carbon monoxide flows into the lungs, filling up the air sacs and binding to red blood cells that carry oxygen to the body. That blocks the oxygen from ever getting to vital organs.
It's not necessarily the carbon monoxide itself, it's more the lack of oxygen.
I'm Gigi Barnett, KXAN News.
Experts say long-term exposure to the tasteless, odorless gas can cause numbness, unexplained vision problems, sleep disturbances, and memory loss.